Today I'm going to show you how to use the automatic blood pressure cuff. Alright, so you turn it on once you already have the cuff on the patient, but I just want you to see how it gets turned on. Alright, so with these cuffs in here, they have this adjustable thing where you could actually adjust it around the patient's arms. So you could actually put it on the patient's arm and then just go ahead and adjust it. As you can see right here, you have this upside down triangle, which is where it goes directly above the brachial artery. This tube right here should always be facing downwards. Alright, so it's extremely important. It's facing downwards and upside down triangle directly above the brachial artery. So you're going to go ahead and just place it on the patient's arms, as you can see. Just like this. Make sure you adjust it. Make sure it fits properly. Make sure that you're able to at least put 2 fingers under the cuff. You don't want it to be too tight. As you can see, you can slide 2 fingers and it's directly above the brachial artery. Right there. Looks good. Alright. So let's go ahead and try to take the blood pressure in a second. But make sure, like I said, always make sure you're able to put at least 2 fingers under the cuff. Make sure it's not too tight. So now you have this on the patient. Go ahead and press the start button. So as you can see, I'm going to go ahead and press the start button, and then it'll start to automatically inflate. You tell the patient to sit still and just wait. But just wait. Alright, so we're waiting. So we're almost there. So you're just going to be patient. Try not to talk to the patient the entire time while you're taking the patient's blood pressure. You don't want them to be moving around a lot. So now we have our results. So 130/77 is the blood pressure. So 130 is the systolic, which is the top number, and 77 is the bottom number. Also, it does show you on the monitor that the patient has a heart rate. So the patient's heart rate is 70, right? So it's extremely important so you get a heart rate, systolic, and diastolic blood pressure.